Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass. Today we are diving into the 2026 Mercedes S-Class, a flagship luxury sedan that continues to set the standard for elegance, innovation, and performance. The new S-Class arrives with cutting-edge technology, enhanced comfort, and a refined powertrain lineup that ensures a perfect blend of luxury and driving dynamics. The 2026 model introduces an evolved design with a more streamlined profile, featuring a sleeker front grille, adaptive LED lighting, and improved aerodynamics for better efficiency. The interior is nothing short of a masterpiece, offering premium materials, ambient lighting, and the latest MBUX infotainment system with AI-driven personalization. The massive OLED touchscreen remains a centerpiece, now with even faster response times and deeper integration with smart devices. Rear passengers benefit from enhanced comfort with reclining seats, massage functions, and an upgraded entertainment system. Under the hood, the S-Class offers multiple powertrain options, including a refined inline-six, a powerful V8 with mild hybrid technology, and a top-tier plug-in hybrid variant with extended electric range. The AMG version is expected to deliver exhilarating performance with a twin-turbocharged setup and improved handling dynamics. Mercedes continues to push for electrification, and a fully electric EQS-inspired variant could also be part of the lineup, providing a silent yet powerful ride. The suspension system features an advanced predictive road scan function, ensuring a smooth experience regardless of road conditions. Safety and driver assistance technology remain at the forefront, with advanced semi-autonomous driving capabilities, improved lane-keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control that can handle complex driving scenarios. The vehicle is equipped with next-generation sensors and AI-driven software that enhances real-time decision-making for both comfort and safety. New biometric authentication features further enhanced security and customization, allowing the car to recognize the driver and adjust settings accordingly. In terms of performance, the 2026 S-Class delivers an unmatched driving experience. Acceleration times are improved across the lineup, and the steering feels more precise thanks to an upgraded chassis and rear-wheel steering. The hybrid models offer seamless power delivery with increased efficiency, making them an excellent choice for those seeking both power and sustainability. The cabin remains whisper quiet thanks to new insulation materials and active noise cancellation. Market availability for the 2026 Mercedes S-Class is expected to begin in late 2025 for major markets, including North America, Europe, and select Asian countries. Customization options will be extensive, with a range of exterior colors, interior trims, and technology packages to suit different preferences. Pricing will reflect the premium nature of the vehicle, with the base model positioned competitively within the luxury sedan segment and higher-end variants offering exclusive features for discerning buyers. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Mercedes S-Class, a true symbol of luxury and innovation. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Compass for the latest news, reviews, and in-depth insights into the automotive world.